Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you like me? You do things a day late, a dollar short. I'm bad at that. I did record this yesterday, so I did have the pancakes on National Pancake Day. It was supposed to get released yesterday, but I had a blonde moment, I forgot, and I released the other video instead. So now I'm a day late for National Pancake Day. But hey, you can still enjoy the recipe. I made some banana pancakes out of dumpster finds. You got it. It had to come from the dumpster. Now, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe, ring that bell. You don't want to miss what's coming up, 'cause you just never know. Let's get to cooking.
Okay guys, it's National Pancake Day and we are going to make some pancakes. But not the traditional kind. We're making banana pancakes. First step is you get one banana and you're going to mash that banana up. I kind of do this one-handed because my camera battery of course died and I don't feel like waiting 2 hours to make these pancakes. So we're trying to do this with my phone instead of with the actual camera that I normally use. I'm actually using a bowl as well that came from the dumpster right after Halloween. It's crazy what they throw away. And I swear you ask any dumpster diver, we've got half of our house is full of dumpster goods that we got from the dumpster. So I think half our house is made up of dumpster goods. I flung the banana. Whoops. Luckily, table is clean. We'll just throw it back in. It's like making baby food. I've actually never made these before. I've heard of a lot of people making them. This is a first for me. They're very simple. And everyone says they taste pretty good. Not the same replacement as the regular old pancakes. I love pancakes. Do you love pancakes? I sure do. But I'm going to turn off the camera for a minute, finish mashing these up. You got the idea. You see what I got to do. Mash those up, and then I'll be adding eggs. 2 eggs from the dumpster again. Like I said, those are those dumpster eggs from Dollar Tree. The banana came from Aldi's. But we'll be back, guys. Step 2, the eggs. We've already added them in because it's really, really hard to mix and do all this stuff with a phone in your hands. I know, common excuse I have, right? I got the phone, I can't record. I got the phone, I can't. Sorry, guys. I probably would have done better if I would have had like a glass bowl or metal bowl that didn't move so easily. Because this one's pretty light. But it was just the first bowl I grabbed. But you mix that all up good. You would mash the banana up to like a pudding consistency. So get this all mixed in real good, and then you just cook it like a regular old banana. Regular old banana. God, I am blonde. A regular old pancake. We'll be back as we're cooking this, guys. Okay, we are ready to cook these babies. I did add some blueberries into mine. Who doesn't love blueberries and banana? But you just keep the pancakes on the smaller side. I don't think any blueberries fell out of that one. There you see the blueberries. There, that one's going to be extra blueberries. This probably makes enough for 1 to 2 people is what I would say. Doesn't make a lot. I got to add some blueberries there, and we'll add some blueberries there, because I might as well just finish off this mixture. They might be a little bigger than I should have. But you're just going to cook them up like you would normally a pancake. Cook them up over the... I'm using the cast iron skillet. I need to retreat it. I really do. I'm bad. But I put a little bit of butter at the bottom. We're going to heat these up until they're ready to turn. We'll turn them, and we'll be ready to dig in. Pancakes are done, guys. They look beautiful. All that you can do, or I'm going to do, is I'm going to add some syrup on it. It may not be the most diet-friendly nor keto-friendly, I don't know, but I don't care. You gots to have syrup on your pancakes. But they're ready to dig in. Hope you enjoyed. And if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.